Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So in this week's video, we're gonna get after this hand tool storage, but I had problems with my microphone, so the audio was really horrible. So bear with me through that, and I'll give you a tour on the other end.
Get discouraged to tell me if I'm wrong. Just find the courage and I'll help you get along. I ain't no player, I don't play those foolish games. There is no winner, there ain't no one to blame. You talk about it, I talk about it every night. We fight about it, getting sick about it. We will get it right. Don't worry about it, I'll worry about it. I won't give up, 'cause I've got your back, baby. I've got your back, baby. When things get rough, yeah, you know I've got your back, baby. When things get rough, yeah, when things get rough, you talk about it, I talk about it, you talk about it, you talk about it, I talk about it every night. You talk about it, I talk about it, we talk about it. You talk about it, I talk about it. Things get
Okay guys, so there you go. That's how we got to here. It's very simple, it's very plain, but it does what I needed to do. I stored the hand planes all in here. It allows me to put some moisture wicking stuff in here, so if my heat and my air conditioning goes down, I can protect this stuff and keep the rust off of it. And I don't get to this as often as I do all the other stuff. So all that other stuff lives out here on the wall where I can readily get to it and ready for the next project. So until then, take care guys.